Hey guys, Tommy here. So I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit of an overview of my retrofit of my FRS steering wheel. So you could use either the FRS or BRZ steering wheel, either or will work. It does use the actual same hub as the Lexus IS300. Now with the steering wheel that you see right now, everything is fully functional working. Horn, along with the paddle shifters, and as well as the cruise control itself. Now, the great thing about doing this steering wheel setup is, in terms of, it is the actual same diameter, but I do actually like the actual feel of it. The steering wheel is a little bit thicker, as well as the perfect red leather, red stitching is always a nice touch. Obviously, the one thing that I did not like about it was it still had the Scion emblem. But luckily with FT86 Motorsports, even though you probably heard one of my review from before, all my stuff did come in, so I'll be fitting it with my Toyota emblem. At least it will blend in a little bit better than using the actual Scion emblem. As well, I'll be upgrading the actual the carbon paddle shifters, along with the new carbon piece, because I have a slight little scratch right there. But on that's pretty much about it in terms of give you a general overview of the installation of the actual FRS steering wheel. It was actually very simple. If you are a little bit electrically inclined, meaning if you could just follow wires, color match, it's actually fairly simple. Just following the wires, finding the negative lead for the downshift, pretty much rewiring the positive lead for the upshift, cruise control, and that's pretty much about it. And the igniter, just swap over the igniter using the factory igniter, and that's pretty much about it. With the wiring harness, it's literally you just merging two wiring harnesses to one. Obviously, the one end on the Scion FRS steering wheel is obviously to feed what it's currently right now, and the other end using the factory steering wheel from the Lexus IS300. That would be the donor side to pretty much plug on the factory side of the IS300. Bottom of that is pretty much it. Just pretty much join the wires together, and boom, everything works. Horn, along with cruise control and the actual paddle shifters. A lot better than the factory IS300 steering wheel, which just uses buttons.